Hello everyone, my name is Iti Tyagi and I'm founder of Craftledge. In my last video, I had explained that how Craftledge New Center came in existence. I talked about the natural spaces, I talked about the garden, the building, ramrod construction, and various small elements such as our beautiful pergola setup for the divinity, for the god. Today, I'm giving you a round of our exhibition space and our studio space that we have designed to promote traditional art forms, to tell the stories, to showcase the films that we create all year round. So come take a look with me to our art exhibition gallery. The Ray Center, Crown Village, has a beautiful gallery of 1500 square feet. This exhibition space promotes and preserves the rare art forms of India. The idea was to give the space to traditional artists and traditional art forms. We have often seen in India there are a lot of galleries which are promoting contemporary arts, but they are very rare spaces that promote the traditional craft forms, the traditional art forms. Hence, the artisans and the artists of traditional art forms of India have their home at Craft Village. Indian textiles are very rich in their forms, color patterns, and textures. We ensured that when we designed this gallery, the color palette of the gallery is in warm tones because most of the colors in Indian textiles are on the warm side. Due to the skin colors, due to the tonal panel that we all carry, our attire hold that beautiful art forms, the beautiful color palettes. Hence, when we designed the space, we wanted to build beautiful props that could display those textiles in its purest of forms. We also ensured that when we display the long pieces such as saris, long wall panels, they all get their due space. The length and breadth of an exhibition gallery defines how beautifully an art can be exhibited. Craftledge Gallery also is a home to many traditional art pieces that are nearly 700 years old. It's a legacy that we respect. It's a legacy that we carry in our hearts. As you can see, there's a beautiful fur painting, which this piece has been painted nearly 70 years ago, which comes from the Bhilwara, from the Joshi family. Today at Craftledge, we have exhibited this art form in its true form. Here you can see that art form is displayed on a wider wall and can be a center of attraction for every visitor who comes and visits Craftledge Gallery. An integral part of Craftledge exhibition space is the storytelling. Storytelling is something which defines an art form, which defines a culture, which defines a heritage. Like you can see, I'm starting with a beautiful Tholu Bongulata. It is the art form that comes from south of India, from Andhra Pradesh. This beautiful artwork of Lord Hanuman is made in leather. This art form of Tholu Bongulata has been famous for its shadow puppetry. In shadow puppetry, the artists would design the deities, the demons, gods, and have their performance through shadow form for the native villagers so that the villagers, the children, can learn the story of our gods and goddesses and our heritage in a more creative manner. Hence, we are celebrating Tholu Bongulata at Craftledge exhibition space. At Craftledge, one of our IPs is International Craft Awards. International Craft Awards was formed in 2017. This award has global entrants from all across the world. Nearly more than 40 nations have participated, and their art forms are submitted each time when they apply for the awards. We at Craftledge keep those art pieces just like beautiful exhibits. As you can see, we have those artists and their creations as part of our permanent gallery. When you come at Craftledge, you will see these beautiful pieces carrying the legacy of each culture and each art. This small space is our little art studio where we conduct workshops, we showcase the films, the documentaries, and hold the conversations. We organize various talks where the students, the art appreciators, art connoisseurs can come and discuss the matter of their own interest. It is very important that we understand why a particular art form is the way it is, why a particular community need that art form in such a fashion. The stories around these things are showcased through our films. At our art studio, when we designed this space, we wanted to make it look a bit European. The idea was to have the inclusive design which serves anybody and everybody. The palettes had to be clean, had to be fresh. The wooden rooftop at the studio gives a very natural feel to it. The space itself looks very sustainable and looks very welcoming. Over the last 10 years, since 2015, we are traveling to all the parts of this country. We are traveling to various clusters and capturing the essence of rural India. We are also capturing the art forms, the traditional craft forms, and sitting and speaking with all our craftsmen. It is very important that we understand what they go through, what has inspired them, what are the processes, and how they come up with beautiful art pieces. At this new studio, we showcase our films which take you through the journey of our travel experimentations that we have done around our films. We have showcased films on fur, ajra, khatha, pashmina, and many other art forms. When you visit Craft Village, we will arrange to show you one of our beautiful films. It will take you through the lands, through the mountains, rivers, and the beautiful villages of India, which holds the warm colors of our Indian heritage. So today we only have this much for you. We have given you a little introduction of our exhibition space and the art studio. I hope you have liked this journey. I hope you have liked the small details and the space that we have created at Craft Village New Center. In my next video, I will give you the introduction of our office spaces. Till then, this is me, Iti Tyagi, signing off. Thank you so much.